Hey everyone, so a lot of you had asked me to do a DIY face mist video. So I'll be sharing three DIY face mists with you. Now, two of them I use in, one of them I use mostly in summers. One of them I like using in the monsoon or the spring kind of a season. And one of them I keep essentially for winter. So basically there are three face mists which I these days make on a regular basis and keep in my fridge. So I'll just share the ingredients with you and post which we'll make ourselves. So these are the things that we'll be needing. I'm sharing all the ingredients of the three face mists, but we'll be needing like 2 or 3 of them in one or so. First that we see is grated cucumber. Now I have taken the remains also, like the grate remains also. I will be sieving them for the mist. So this is the first thing. Then I have taken some mint leaves and I have put them in purified water. So let the purified water take the benefits of the mint for some time. So this ideally has to be done overnight, but if you can't keep it overnight, keep it for at least 3 hours. There is some lemon juice. You require only this much of it. This is half a lemon juice and you require only this much of it. Some aloe vera. So I have taken the khadi aloe vera gel. As you can see, it's green in color, but you can take even freshly cut aloe vera or any kind of aloe vera gel. This is the rose water that I've taken. This is also khadi rose water. You can take any rose water or you can make rose water at home as well. We'll require some coconut oil, like 2 or 3 drops of it. And again, just the way I did to the mint and to the cucumber, these are some green tea bags that I have soaked in purified water. So we'll be using basically the water. We'll be leaving the green tea bags, but we'll be using the water. In addition to that, you'll need a jug of purified water. I'm not saying you'll need the entire jug, but you might need some bit of it. So let's keep it. And some spray bottles like this. I got them from a nearby grocery store, but you can get them at Amazon or at any other place. I've seen them at many places. So these were the ingredients. Now we'll see the 3 face mists. The first one that we'll be making is mint and cucumber face mist. So all you have to do is, first of all, you have to take this mint water in a cup. So just let it drain down. I'm not sieving it. You can also sieve it. But as you can see, it won't be like, it's not a clear kind of water, but it has like the goodness of mint. I don't really mind the color, that's why I'm not sieving it a lot. The second thing, now how much mint I've taken, you can take like around, what shall I say, 4 to 5 strands of mint. That's how much I've taken. And actually there's no much proportion to it. So you can take, one portion, whatever portion of mint, take that portion of cucumber as well. And just you have to take the juice first, whatever juice is left of cucumber, and then you take like the grates in your hand and just squeeze it in the bowl or whatever the glass that you're taking. So that's like a lot of mixture that I have got here. As you can see, I will be adding some aloe vera also to it. So the aloe vera gel that I've taken, I'm just taking it in a stirrer and then using it inside, and then you have to stir it basically so that the aloe vera gel is also dissolved and they basically mix together, because you'll have to use them together. I'm actually using my hand in it as well because it's not moving well. Yeah, so this along with some purified water, you can add any bit of purified water to make it a little diluted, because you'll have to use it directly on your face. Post which you can put it in your spray bottle, which I'll be putting just now. So this is the first mist that we have made. This has cucumber, aloe vera and mint in it. So this is very similar to the khadi mint and cucumber mist that we have. I'll actually spray it on my face so that you can get some first impressions. It has a very cooling effect, I guess, because of the cucumber in it, and it's smelling very fresh. Now all these face mists, you'll have to store them in refrigerators only. So before going to work, you can grab one and get it. You don't have to store it only in the refrigerator, like you can keep it in your fridge for some time, but try and keep it in the refrigerator only, and do not keep it for more than a week. Like, just consume it within a week. For the second face mist, we need some bit of lemon juice, some green tea. Basically you need like the green tea water, and again some aloe vera gel. and of course a spray bottle and some purified water. So what you're going to do is transfer the entire lemon juice into a bowl, post which you have to use some green tea water in it. Now you can use any green tea. I have like taken some I don't remember which green tea it is because there's no brand name to it, but I've basically taken 3 tea bags of green tea and then just taken a concentrated mixture of it. So as you can see, like, this has the green tea color to it as well, so it's a pretty concentrated mixture. That's how I like it. And again, add this much of aloe vera. This is around let's say it would have been a pinch only. So this is the thing, and stir it well again. Now stirring is very important because you're ultimately mixing lemon tea and some aloe vera, so it should mix to give you maximum benefits. Now you can add some purified water to it. So this is our second mixture. This I'll pour in my second spray bottle and show you the final product. So our second mixture is ready as well. And if you compare it with the cucumber one, so the cucumber one is a little lemon kind of a color because of the cucumber extract. This has more of the green tea color, so this has a brownish yellow kind of a color, or yellowish brown kind of a color, brownish yellow actually. So now this has like a very sweet smell of green tea. This is smelling very very heavily of green tea, of course, because of the concentrated extract that I have put in, and also it has a very fresh smell of lemon. So these are my 2 ones. The mint and cucumber one I keep specially for summers. The green tea and lemon one I mostly use in monsoons and also in springs. The third one that I'll be showing you will be specifically for winters. So actually face mist, not only in summers but also in winters, when you are feeling like that your face is a little dehydrated, face mist can actually help you hydrate your face, let's say even in office or wherever you're sitting as well. So the third is for winters. For the winter spray, take around 2 tablespoons of rose water. I'm pouring it into the bowl, and in this you have to add around 1 teaspoon of coconut oil or almond oil, jojoba oil, whichever oil of your choice basically, to add some moisture to it. I'm adding coconut oil because that is what works for me best. Now you can also add some bit of glycerin to it. I do not add mostly glycerin to my face mist because glycerin does not suit at least my face that much. This is what that is what I've seen. This is the kind of mixture that it'll form. So there'll be some bit of oil layering there, of course, because it's rose water and oil mixed. You can also add some bit of essential oil here because this will not have like the best smell, but this will have the best benefits. And also, if you want, you can add aloe vera to it. I am not adding aloe vera because I don't think rose and aloe vera, the smell goes very well together. And of course, you have to now add some purified water. Please use purified water only, because of course, we're using it on our skin, so it should be the best. Now I'll be pouring it again in a face mist bottle and showing you the first impressions of this. Is my final product for the rose and coconut oil face mist. You can use any essential oil of your choice. I use coconut oil because it hydrates my face best. Now this is not the best thing to use in summers, but it's actually very good in winters, because in winters, even for a person with oily skin like me, gets like a lot of dehydrated face. So I'll just be spraying it on myself again. So this has a very strong smell of rose mixed with coconut oil. Rose mixed with almond oil also gives a very good smell, just a suggestion, but you can use any oil of your choice. I don't mind the smell much, I actually kind of like it, but if you do not like the coconut oil smell, just replace it with any other oil. So these were my face mist. This was rose and rose water and coconut oil. This was cucumber and mint, and this was green tea and aloe vera. So these are the 3 face mists that I've made. I will be putting it in my fridge now. I'm mostly doing it on a weekly basis these days because I have now been addicted to face mists, and because they're very expensive, I do not like putting that much money into it, and they can be easily made at home. Do not store them for more than a week again, and try and refrigerate them whenever you're not using them. So let's say 8 to 10 hours of office, they can easily survive, but except that time, please put it in the fridge. So you can just come home, put it in the fridge, and wherever you're going, you can just grab that bottle. So this was my DIY face mist. Hope you like it. Do tell me what all face mists you make at home, if you make any, and how you like these. But do try them at home, at least one of them. They're very easy to make and save money. So until then, thank you very much for watching. Bye.